Well, for today, let's look at another question of solving algebra problems by geometry. The problem is that what is 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 5 squared plus 8 squared plus 13 squared? Well, there is something special about the root numbers 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13, which is that 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, and 5 plus 8 is 13. Well, this sequence is a part of an infinite sequence called the Fibonacci sequence, where the next number is the sum of this number and the number before it, which is something you would learn in the future. But back to the question. Because of this special feature, we can turn it into easier geometry. So now let's draw a square with sides of length 2 and a square with sides of length 3 besides it. Now because 2 plus 3 is 5, so we could draw a square with sides of length 5 under them. 5, 5. So similarly, because 3 plus 5 is 8, you could draw a square with sides of length 8 on the right side of all the squares. So as usual, we can draw a square with sides of length 13 under them. Now this is 13, this is 8 and 13. Now the problem turns into to find the sum of all the areas of the squares. Now it's not hard to find out that this shape is similar to a rectangle, but with a little rectangle missing on the left top. So the area would be the area of the big rectangle, this minus the small rectangle on the left top. The area of the big rectangle is 13 times 13 plus 8, which is 21, minus the area of the small rectangle, which is 2 times 3 minus 2 equals 1. This equals to 13 times 21 minus 2 times 1, which is 271. So in the future, if you are doing calculating problems, please remember that there is this kind of method that you can turn it into simpler geometry problems. When you find some relations between the multipliers, such as when doing our example problems or calculating distances between 2 points, try to find a way of presenting it in geometry. And this would be the end of this model. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please do say it. And please follow and subscribe. It's really important for me. And this would be all. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.